Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen California Ocean. This vehicle comes with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 PS. The vehicle also comes with a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. This example comes finished in the metallic paint colour Starlight Blue. Across the front of the vehicle, it features LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights, as well as a set of front parking sensors set into the front bumper. Down below, this California Ocean sits on the 17-inch residue alloy wheels, which are finished in a silver colour, as well as a multi-spoke design. The vehicle also comes with a roll-out awning with a black housing, and being an Ocean, it comes with an electro-hydraulic operated pop-up roof. Towards the rear of the vehicle, there is a tailgate with a heated rear window, and located just above the rear number plate is a rear view reversing camera. This, paired with the rear parking sensors, helps you make every parking maneuver with confidence. Taking a look behind the tailgate and into the boot space of the vehicle, there is an ample amount of storage space here. The multi-flex board allows for additional large items to be stored underneath, as well as having a support for your head once the rear bed has been deployed. There are also some storage shelves over on the left hand side. Joining me inside the California, we'll find a 2-seater passenger bench finished in the circuit fabric cloth upholstery. The camper comes with everything that you might need on your camping trip away, including a fridge/cool box, twin hob burner, as well as a sink with a foldable tap. Underneath this kitchen unit there's some additional storage, and up front in the driver's cab we have 2 singular seats, both with 2 armrests apiece. In the centre of the dash we'll find an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system comes with the Discover Media Navigation Pro, as well as allowing users to access all their favourite radio stations, as well as utilise the App Connect feature, which allows you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Beneath the touchscreen are the climate controls for the vehicle. The vehicle does come with a Climatronic 3-zone air conditioning system, which allows for a nice, calm and controlled temperature throughout the vehicle. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather-trimmed steering wheel, as well as a digital cockpit system. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.